Is it a zinger? No. Not lie, right now KFC I do the most and I'm not trying to go broke to support that lifestyle. So I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken sandwich at home. So the black line that you're seeing on the chicken, that's because I had the chicken soaking in soy sauce, and what that does, it just helps to tenderize the chicken. So I'm using a piece of cling wrap and I'm gonna use the mallet to beat the chicken. It's chicken breast, by the way, deboned, and yeah, just using the mallet to beat it so it's a bit flatter. So now time to season. I'm adding some green seasoning, just a little bit, some chicken seasoning, some Maggi again, and some paprika, and I'm just gonna put my hands in a bag and rub that up. So now I'm adding some flour, some complete seasoning, some chicken seasoning, some Maggi again, all the seasonings that I use on the chicken, and some cornstarch, of course, to help to make the chicken crispy. Now I'm just doing an egg wash, so I cracked one egg and I'm gonna whisk that up, and then I'm gonna dip the chicken breast in the egg and then move it to the bag with the flour mixture. So yeah, just gonna shake that up, and I use a bag because it's less things to wash up and I can just throw away the bag after. So now I'm adding the 2 chicken breasts to some oil that I had heating up with some pepper and garlic. And yeah, moving on to the bread. So this is just some honey bun sandwich bread, and I'm gonna add some butter and toast it on my griddle. So it's just chiffon butter, guys. So yeah, adding it to all 4 pieces. I'm making 2 sandwiches, one for me, one for my mother. So yeah, time to assemble. I had a little bit of mayonnaise. Some of those rub it on my bread alone, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken. Now the chicken fry a little bit too much, but that's fine. Nobody not kill nobody. And I'm adding a slice of cheese to the other side of the bread, and I just heat it up on the griddle for a few seconds. And I'm adding some fresh lettuce, some pear or avocado as some people call it. We say pear. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sandwich the bread. But it was at this point that I realized that I turned it wrong. So yeah, turn it over now, and this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna lie, it tastes good, and if you never see me make it, you'll probably think I was I'm gonna add pear too. So yeah, you can go ahead and try this at home and stop my KFC broken up packets. Okay, yeah.